Hey guys, Mike here. So I want to make some new training content for all of you guys in the coming weeks and coming months, but I don't want to guess what you need help with most. So I wanted to reach out and ask for y'all's feedback. Specifically, this is for folks who are just getting started in their very first business, or you've been trying to build a business in the past, but you haven't gotten to a point where you've been able to fire your boss. And I want to know what your biggest challenges are. So why are you stuck? And I want to ask you that with one exclusion, and that exclusion is that you don't give me the answer, I don't have any money. So if you don't have any money, you really don't need to be looking to start a business right now. You need to be looking for a job. And it doesn't take a lot of money to start a business. It can take a couple $100 a month. It could take less than $1,000. It's more a matter of acquiring skill sets than having money. So please don't give me that as your answer. Taking that off the table, what do you need help with? What's your biggest challenge? If I could wave a magic wand and solve that for you, and that problem would go away, what would that be? So is it coming up with an idea? Is it traffic? Is it information overload? Is it time? Is it finding a mentor? Whatever it may be, I would love your feedback. So just let me know in the comments below, whether this is on Facebook, YouTube, wherever it may be. I'm going to be reading all of those, and please be as detailed as you can. The more you help me and the more information I get, the more I'm going to be able to help you and ideally solve those problems for you. So thanks so much. And again, please leave me your answer below in the comments.